Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. We do a little bit of everything on this channel. Today's video is Halloween decor. I am really excited. It's literally end of October, but I mean, oop, see? Freudian slip. It's end of August and I'm already thinking about Halloween. This year I am feeling inspired. I have a lot of cute ideas, and so I thought instead of only doing Christmas this year, we would also do Halloween. This is Brucey. This is my baby. Hi, internet. That is very millennial. So everything that I'm showing you here is from Amazon. I have a Halloween decor Amazon list that will be linked in the description. I made my list and then I shopped it myself. Little decor videos on TikTok, Instagram, and then I'll also be posting a lot of photos on Pinterest. I'm trying to grow my Pinterest following, so if you are someone who likes Pinterest, follow me. I'll leave the link in the description. Let's get to the haul. First thing I have here are these black roses. These are just some faux roses. This is how they look. Really cute, really affordable. I'm trying to go for like a glamorous haunted house vibe, like Addams Family vibe. Like that's already my aesthetic, a little bit of like the, you know, Victorian kind of aesthetic. So I thought that instead of having regular roses, we could have these really nice black roses, and I just think they look so fun, kind of like a little Halloween twist on something that I already have in my house. Oh my god, you're so cute. Next we have these floating candle. I'm sorry, Bruce. I just hit him in the head with the box. These are so stinking cute. I'm gonna show you a picture of what they look like. Oh my god. Hanging them above the fireplace area. These actually come with little hooks. I don't even know how to describe them. What is this, like a little plastic that goes on the ceiling, and then it has a hook on the bottom, and then the candle has a little like fishing wire so that it looks invisible. Then you twist on the bottom here, you put the batteries in, and then it also comes with a remote, which is great so that you don't have to worry about wasting and turning them on and off. So yeah, really cute. I love the idea of having these on and just having them floating. Another saving money thing because I won't have to burn as many real candles. Let me know if you guys want to see a like decorate with me here on YouTube, and I'll show you guys how we do all that because Antonio's probably gonna be doing most of it. Don't tell him I said that. Next we have some pumpkins. This is a set of a bunch of different size pumpkins. These are for indoor use because they are very lightweight. They're great if you have kids and you want to do like a little project for Halloween. Really lightweight. My plan is to kind of glue them together maybe and kind of make like this little pumpkin patch looking centerpiece thing. These different shape, like medium ones, super little. You could use those to like fill a vase. I got this gorgeous candelabra. I actually have one of these in my kitchen. I love. This is so pretty. It's like a gunmetal black kind of color, and it's so easy to put together. And I got some black candles to go in it. Let's see how it looks and you guys tell me what you think. I wanna go home. This is kind of sexy if you're having like a spooky themed wedding or like a black themed wedding, Halloween wedding. These are really cute. Like, this is a vibe. Next, I picked up these burnt orange pillow covers just because I'm not into the black and orange too much, but I think that, you know, we want to go a little bit traditional. Two black lace spiderweb things, a fireplace mantle cover, and you can see it's like a black spider web, which I think is so cute and fun. This, which is similar, but this is meant for my lamp. So as you guys can see on this, in this corner, I have like this vintage lamp. It's actually vintage from the 70s. My mom's friend gave it to me and it's like one of my favorite possessions ever. And so I think this little lampshade cover, haunted house kind of look. I mean, come on, that looks so cool already. Also got these really cute prints to put on my frame wall. Look how cute these are. Are you kidding? So cute. You can get this one alone if you want, but for $3 more you can get both of them. A little bit more of a cheeky kind of glam little vibe, but I think it's gonna look really cute when everything is done. I also got these witch hats that are gonna hang over the they're gonna hang from the ceiling over the dining room area or dining room table area. So these are similar to the candles. It comes with this, comes with the little invisible wire, so you can hang these from your ceiling. How cute is that? Like wear it Oh, I guess you kind of can. Wait, why am I kind of like a bad witch? You get it? You get it? No? I also grabbed some bats. These are just like little bats that you put on the wall because I have a really cute idea of what I want to do over my bar cart and my mirror over there. I want to put like spider web. I want to put bats all over. And then I also grabbed these branches, these willow branches. I put these in a vase. I'll put the picture here of what it looks like when it's all done because you can't really get the idea. But yeah, I thought that was really, really cute and kind of a fun way to incorporate some type of like plants. So I do have a couple more things coming that are going to be coming in the next few days, and then next week is like that, but this is like the bulk of it. So let me know if you guys want to see a decorate with me video, but definitely follow me on all my other socials because I'm going to be doing a lot more decorating and photos and posts on those over there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy early Halloween. Love you guys so much. Stay glam. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh my god, you're so cute.